Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's Tuesday and we are on a Citroen DS3. Let me just show you it. See if you can see it there. Citroen DS3 clutch replacement. Getting a lot of clutch judder, first and second. Reverse as well, dead hard to get into gear, so it's on 84,000 miles. It's just ready to have a new clutch, so that's what we're going to do today. So first up, we're pulling the caps off the wheels. No locking wheel nuts on this one. It's kind of a good thing because they always break. I think that's what the customer said happened on this one. They had into a garage not that long ago, broke the locking wheel nut, didn't tell the customer about it, and didn't think she could get the wheels off for a while. And we go straight underneath, gearbox oil out, went absolutely everywhere on this one, so I'll have to do a bit of cleaning on it. But luckily we've got a lot of blue roll. It's just a bad design really, the way the gearbox drain plug is on the subframe. Normally you drain it, it just goes absolutely everywhere because of that. Now it's drive shafts out time. Quite hard to get the shafts out on this one. Took a bit of hitting with the hammer and WD-40, but they eventually came out. One thing that we do know from working underneath cars, or anybody that works on cars, underneath cars, is the amount of rust. Normally you get an impact gun or anything, or hit anything with a hammer, the amount of rust and oil that just gets all over your head and your hair and everything. That's why I wear that mask that you can see, to try and stop as much as possible getting on me. Now the offside drive shaft's coming out now. Now next up we can see the starter motor, bellows and bolts, they come off next. Now we're just moving to the top of the vehicle, pulling the 3 ECU plugs out the ECU, take the ECU out, and a 10mm bolt on the battery. Pull the battery out, 2 10mm bolts on the battery box, take that out. Now as you can see we can get all the gear linkages, the air strap, 30mm bolts and the air straps off first. Pull the neutral sensor plug out. It's exactly the same setup as the Peugeots. It is the Peugeot gearbox. Now everything's out, we're just wiggling the box back and forth to pull the box out, drop it down. It is all by hand on this. Next up is the clutch pressure plate bolts, which goes down with the Allen key. Move the clutch. One thing I did want to mention, the M12, Milwaukee M12 angle wrench, absolutely great bit of kit. Gets in, this one I've got is the extended reach and just gets in all the spaces that you can normally get in with a 1/2-inch ratchet. Now we can see here now the last bolts out the pressure plate, the how smooth it is. There should be a bit of depth left on those grooves. There's just absolutely nothing left at all. A lot of clutch judder. Done 84,000 miles, so I'm surprised it's not gone through the pressure plate. So we've got the brand new clutch going on now. As you can see in the middle, the clutch alignment tool keeps that pressure plate, friction plate, dead centre with the pressure plate. I only paid £10 out of Halfords for that alignment tool, and it's made me thousands of pounds, so it's definitely a worthwhile investment. So now we're just greasing up the gearbox using some red rubber grease, triple QX, get it out of Euro car parts. Definitely worthwhile buying, some good stuff, better than copper grease for this sort of stuff. Right guys, so that's the gearbox done. Well, gearbox, that's the clutch done. Lights terrible there. Right. That's the clutch done on the Citroen DS3 for today. Thanks for watching the video. What I was doing, I was putting the gearbox back in. Putting it all back together, all the ancillaries, everything. Bolting the belt hose back up. Pretty much what we've just done, but in reverse. So, thanks for watching. Tune in to the next video. Just take a look at this before you go. Nice big field. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.